Woods? Come on, baby. We both know the answer to that question. Do you even have to ask, bro? We had a massive downtrend, and you're asking if I caught a banger yesterday. What do you think, bro? Good morning, Timbo. What up, what up, what up? I'm going to do a bigger good morning to everyone. I'll do a bigger one in a little bit. There's just not many people on. I'm just saying hi to everyone. I'll do the big good morning to the money team at Market Open. Was good, everybody. Good morning. What's up, Jalapeno? Jalapeno business. Dev, Tony, City. Marcos was good, bro. AG, come here. I said, AG, come here. Well, actually, I'll wait. I'm going to eat this in like 10 minutes. Yeah. It's a key part of my morning, bro. Grab yourself a banana. Was good, everybody. Good morning. Was good, everybody. We're on a little early today. You guys know it's banana time every day. They call me Banana Boy for a reason. Was I in any films? Yeah, I was an actor before I started trading. You didn't know that? You ever seen the movie 8 Mile? I was the main character. No, I wasn't in any films. I'm just messing with you. They said, I know that can't be Gene there with you before opening bell. Nope. Bro ain't been here before opening bell in years, it feels like. PSL Express is always running a tad bit late. Always running a tad bit behind. Got funded yesterday. That's what's up. Justin, let's go. Oh my gosh, guys, whatever you do, don't look at Bitcoin. You guys don't want to know how much I'm down today. Like, you guys literally don't want to know how much I'm down. It's actually sickening. I'm down over 100 racks today. Literally down over 100 racks in my Bitcoin today. Over 100,000. So if you thought you were having a bad day, at least you're not down over 100 racks. Just saying. Your boy is down unrealized over 100 racks on the BTC. Hurts. Oh, I know it'll come back. It might not be for a year or two. It'll come back, though. It will come back eventually. When it does come back, I'm going to pounce like a pack of piranhas. Oh, yeah, I want it to go lower. I mean, I'm net positive. My average is low, but I'm down 100 racks on the day. If I were to calculate where we were at to where we are now, how much value my Bitcoin's lost in the last day. You guys see that Top Steps limiting metals Apex completely just axed? Axed metals, gold, silver. You know those prop firms are getting rinsed. Is it worth getting a funded account? It depends on your goals. Typically, yes. I think there's more positives than negatives, but not all the time. Yeah, you know, they got to protect their bottom line. They got to protect their bottom line, is what it is. They got a model they got to protect. Let's see here. All right, guys. For the TikTok algo, this live is not financial advice. This live is simulated trading. Everything said here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get to the moolah. Let's get to the money, baby. Come on. If you guys want to trade live with me today, you can get yourself a funded account using code Jdun. The best discount in the game right now is going to be with Tradeify. That's going to be our funding deal of the day. To be honest. All right, here we go. Y'all ready to make some moolah with me today? Jdunion. Jdunion, J Onion, give you trades so good they'll make you cry. I got funded yesterday. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome, bro. Hopefully I helped a lot of y'all. Haters ever call you J Dung, bro? The haters call me everything. Haters call me J Bum, J Dumb, Gay Dun. You name it, bro. I've been called it. I just embrace it. I think it's funny. I'm like, you can call me gay down if I lose the next trade, but honestly, I don't really lose that often, so they don't really get to say it much. Jdun. It's just so stupid. Shit's hilarious. Like they come in and they think they're onto something. I'm like, bro, I'll laugh with you. I don't care. But here's the deal: is if they call me Jdun when I lose, they got to call me Paydun when I win. They never call me Paydun. Where's the Paydun energy when I win from the haters? They're not laughing with you or laughing at you. Well, you know what? When I lose, that's fine. Good thing I don't lose often, so you won't get to laugh very much. Slay done doesn't count. That I love me some Jdun. Slay done. Getting slayed. Yeah, I'm gonna slay this market. Ooh. Don't literally crack me up. This live is just entertainment every day, bro. I can't with y'all sometimes. I literally just can't. Years. Around 3 years, JG. How long it takes to become profitable, though, isn't really it's not the same for every person. You could put your all into trading and become profitable in 6 months. I'm not saying that's realistic, but it's possible. You could put your all into trading and it takes you 6 years. It's more so about your learning capability, how you were wired as a person, how much effort you put in, market conditions. There's a million different obstacles that can come into play. I'm just saying, almost no one's going to become profitable in 6 months. I'm saying maybe you're a super high IQ, genius level learner and you put your all in. It's possible. Some people take 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. And again, it just depends on what kind of learner you are, how much effort you put in. So there's no, hey, why'd my screen share go away? Oh, Grizzly snagged it. Didn't you, Grizzly Glock? So where'd my screen share go? I mean, it's pretty rare. And honestly, here's the deal too. I'll concur gay done for Mondays is crazy. I'll concur with the fact, I think to call yourself consistently profitable, you need to have at least 2 years of profitability under your belt. That's the same metric that I tell people they have to have if they want to quote unquote quit their job to trade, which I don't think that's a good idea to do, might I add. But if you are seriously considering quitting your job to trade, you got to have at least 2 years of profitability, 6 months of reserve funds, and a clear strategy that you can explain so simply a third grade class could understand. The heater on. It's kind of chilly in here. Yeah, it is. I love this little heater. You for sure can work in day trade. Most people here that I would argue most people that are in part of Team Bull and that rock with me daily all work. I don't think we just have a bunch of unemployed degens here. At least I freaking hope not. You're all like, yeah, none of us have jobs. Jdun, you're our job. You better keep winning your trades. Well, shit. A job? Oh, we're employed degens. Employed degens. Okay. Sorry. Oh, you get your degen out in the first few hours. All right, that makes sense. That makes sense. I can get down with that. Hey, live streams. We started a bit early today. Let's get those likes up, baby. On YouTube, we got 200 plus people so far. Again, we're very early. We usually start at this time. Let's get those likes up to at least 50. I know a fourth of y'all want to choose DOD today. Come on. Hit that thumbs up. Let's get to the moolah, baby. And TikTok, same deal. Make sure y'all tap that screen. Let's get these likes to 10K on TikTok. I know y'all got it. Smash that like button, baby. Come on. Let's go. Smash that like button. That's what I'm talking about. We're ready today. Oh my gosh, look at Tesla. Tesla's at Tesla's sub 400. Wow. I love this pullback. I'm here for it. What's up, bro? Look at Tesla, sub 400.
Really?
You want to know how much I'm down on Bitcoin today, bro? I don't think you want to know.
Probably a mil or two.
No, not quite, but I'm down over 100 racks today. My Bitcoin lost over 100 G's in value today. I'm gonna cry.
I'd say we'll see a lot more if this is a crypto winter coming. We'll see it a lot lower. But when it comes back, it'll.
You held your crypto through some highs and lows, my boy.
What?
Your crypto's been through a lot.
Something like a position for down 70% last year.
You just gotta not look.
That's owed. I mean, what else you gonna do? Sell it for a loss? Zero or zero?
Should we hold that or should we dump Bitcoin? I'm not selling. I don't panic sell. I go in with a plan with my trades, which Bitcoin is a long-term trade for me / investment, and I stick to that plan.
Not hardly. That's not a good tax strategy, my friend.
Dude, if you think Epstein is Satoshi, you literally have 3 brain cells. Maybe 2. I literally got people be like, oh, your Bitcoin's going to 0. Epstein is Satoshi. Like, bro, what are you even saying? I mean, I know I say some silly, kind of slow, low end of the brain spectrum things, but bro, come on. Maybe I'll buy more XRP too with y'all. You got to stack your chips for the BTC dips. Is 3 brain cells enough to trade 3 Apex accounts? Honestly, for me, I feel like it is sometimes. Thanks to Jdun and DOD, got my Apex funded yesterday. Thanks, G. DOD, baby. DOD! DOD! That's awesome. Yeah, we're in this together, Money Mullier. We're in this together. We're both getting reamed together. Jdun's not here yet. Jdun is not quite here yet. We got a few steps till Jdun can get here. The first is Banana Boy has to come to town. Banana Boy is almost here. And then the second step for Jdun coming is that Gene has to arrive with the coffee. Banana Boy's got to come. I freaking love bananas. Love these things. I'm obsessed with freaking bananas. People always ask me for a fit check. Bro, I literally wear the same shirt. Like, not the same shirt, but I wear the same. Okay, I wear the same shirt. Like, it's a Team Bull shirt, but I don't wear the same exact shirt every day. This is a different shirt than yesterday, but it's the same shirt. You feel me? I just wear Team Bull every day. It's actually very simple. It's very, very simple. And some jeans. I got my jeans on too. I got my blue jeans. Look at that. See my jeans? Like these puppies? Like my jeans? There. Y'all like those jeans, baby? I'm 6'7", but I can get down, bro. Trust. 6'7". I don't know what brand these are, bro. I don't really be wearing expensive shit on a day to day. I don't really care. These are not Louis jeans. I don't buy. Bro, throwing teeth in a rhombus. Ah, it's on my eye. Yeah, I'll put on the camera for the banana stream. For the banana boy. BTC to 30. I mean, it's possible. For sure it's possible. Here's the deal, guys. You guys probably see every time the market starts going down, everyone on social media says Bitcoin's going to zero, the market's going to zero, the individual names are going to zero. Literally, we see this all the time. The world is always ending when the market's going down. It's going to go back up, guys. It ain't that deep. It ain't that deep. There's not a lot of crazy discount codes. The best deal right now is Tradeify, in my opinion. 30% off all accounts, 40% off the select 150K. But honestly, a lot of you are probably better off just getting the 50K for 30% off. I don't know what Tesla's going to do today. Honestly, that's a good question. Gerardo. You quit panicking. It's fine. It's about that time for phase 1 of the trading day. We got Banana Boy in the house. We peel from the bottom. We love bottom ticking. We love catching the bottom. Oh, no, we actually don't at all. We love when the market moves to the bottom because that means the puts are paying. Take the banana. You peel that puppy down. You peel that puppy down. You peel that puppy down. You firmly grasp it. I'm gonna take a big old bite. This banana stood no chance. I made it some money today. That's how you know. That's how you know. We're about to make a bag today. You said firmly grasp it is crazy work. So good. I love bananas. Well, good morning to you two that are just joining in with Team Bull and I. Hope you've had a great day. Someone's first day with me or inside Team Bull, they're like, I came here to learn how to trade DOD. I don't know what the hell's going on. Like, I don't know what's going on. I came here to make some money, and this dude's going wild on a banana. Well, it's been working lately, so if it makes you money, you know what? You take what you can get. And that's all right. Take what you can get. Now that you're done, can I join Team Bull? Yes. I'm a single mother looking for looking for love. Didn't we have this discussion before? NazDaddy is only available Friday evenings through Sunday morning. Currently, the NazDaddy, well, this NazDaddy, is looking for trades. However, we have a chat full of NazDaddies and NazMommies inside of Team Bull. Whatever way you're looking to love, you can find that inside the Team Bull chat. We're typically active between 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and about 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time if you're looking for your stock market-based love. Thank you, and have a nice day. Yo, Jdun, passed my Purdia fund yesterday because of DOD. Let's go. Let's go. You ain't finding no love at these chats. You will find some degens, though. That's for sure. We got 15 minutes till open. 15 minutes till the open, everybody. Hopefully we can find ourselves a nice 2-bar setup. We've been killing it lately with it. We caught a banger yesterday, too. It just took a while. We didn't catch a trade for nearly 2 hours. It took us nearly 2 hours to catch a trade. Diabolical. Oh, trust. I'm going to be buying some more Bitcoin. I'm just adding on the way down. Don't even say the word Bitcoin right now. You realize I'm down over 100 racks today, right? We don't talk about Bitcoin right now. We buy it. We buy Bitcoin on dips. We save our chips to buy Bitcoin dips. Someone said that earlier. I like that. We stack our chips to buy Bitcoin dips. Dude, Epstein is not Satoshi. What are you talking about? What about the Broncos? Ready to see them play Sunday? Damn, that's messed up, bro. That's just mean. That's just mean, bro. I'm still sad about that. I haven't recovered. Jordan, where's Gene at? All right, guys. We got 13 minutes till market open. I'm devastated my Broncos don't get to play. I'm boycotting the Super Bowl. I hope both teams lose. Hope it's a tie. I hope it's a tie for all you guys. How about that? Hope you guys get a tie. No, honestly, though, if you want some real talk, Seahawks about to whoop that butt. Seahawks about to take y'all to town. Straight to town. Y'all just want your parlays to hit. That's what y'all want. Apex is not still 90% off. No, that ended yesterday. Or last night. And the last night. Oh. Whew. That ended last night. What happened to the Revuelto? I sold that deal. Thank God I sold that car. I sold it just in time, too. We're getting this big, juicy dip in the market. I freed up some cash, and I just sold a house. I'm very cash heavy right now. Which honestly, I don't love being cash heavy in the long term because it means your money's not working for you. But in the short term, when we're getting all these dips, then it's a good thing. I got cooked in my Revuelto, bro. I lost over 100 grand when it's all said and done. I lost over 100 G's on that car. And honestly, that's the first car I've really taken an L on for my supercars. I sold my Huracan at the same price I basically bought it at. My Urus I had for 4 years. I made a shit ton of money on that car, not through selling it, but through everything it did for me and the connections I made. My Storado won't lose much value. My Raptor R it's not an investment. I love that car, that truck. And then my something. Yeah, the humble Honda. That's what I was gonna say. My humble Honda is the humble Honda. Honestly, you could literally take. You could literally take all my cars away and just give me the humble Honda, and I'd be just as happy. I mean, it'd be a bummer sometimes going to date night. I have to say sorry, honey. We don't get to pull up in a V10 anymore. We got the 4-cylinder, baby. We got the 4-cylinder Honda in action. That's how you'll know if they're a real one or not. Puts it open. It's possible. We got 9 minutes to open, y'all. We're going to choose D today. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. My humble Honda really does get driven the most. Well, that and my truck, honestly, it's close. They kind of switch time. I love my truck. I love my truck. We do have Jolts at 10. Let's see. Let's see here. Where's the news? Why is it not showing that? Huh. So we do have Jolts at 10. That's it. I'm trading 10 minis today. Screw it. I'm kidding, I'm not. My broker was preset at 10. We're gonna go to 5. 5 minis. We catch a 30-point trade. Quick little 3 racks. We've been balling this week. It's gonna be another 10K plus week on the live. I'm gonna try to make everybody some guala today. I'm gonna do my absolute best, everybody. I like Thursday trading days. I'm going to do my best to help y'all pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid. Jdun's putting the fries in the bag for everyone. I'm down. They're beef tallow fries too. They're beef tallow fries too, baby. That's all we do here. Ugh. Jardo, you want to come say hi to everybody while I go blow my nose? Jardo, my videographer, is gonna get on screen. He knows a lot about trading. He's the actual mastermind. Say hi to everyone.
I said, come say hi, everyone. What's going on, everybody?
Go get yourself
Should I take a trade on his account? Blow it, the fucking account? That'd be hilarious. What do you even read everything on here? Oh, there it is. Tab was hidden. Let me see here. Sell all his crypto. I'm gonna transfer it to my account. What watch is that? It's a Garmin 970. I actually convinced Jacob to buy the same one, and then he never uses it. Where is it? I'm telling him about your Garmin. How you never use it.
I know. I need to. I've been slacking.
You need to wear it more.
I know.
I transferred some money to my account.
Oh, did you? You full ported a trade?
Yep.
Someone said Jdun hit the tanning bed. Stupid. Yeah, sorry guys, I went tanning. I just got back. Yeah, that's my husband. Yeah, he caught me. No, that's actually my clone. That's me when I go out in the sun. Someone said, "Is that his husband?" Is crazy. Honestly, I'm never surprised with what I see on social media anymore. Gene got taller. Someone said Gene got taller. Is diabolical. That is literally hilarious. Ugh. Oh man. All right, let's go. We got 3 minutes left. Let's go. I'm gonna get in 3 minutes. Market opens in 3 minutos. Oh, y'all crack me up. We need Gene to come so Paydon can come out to play. That's what we need. Is he? Gene's getting our coffee. That's what we need. Oh, it's DOD Thursday, baby. Dumpster Thursday. RIP. RIP Dumpster. RIP. The man, the myth, the legend. I miss that kid a lot. I miss being in the know about all the penny stocks, too. Ooh. I don't smoke weed, no. This pothead over here does, though. I try to get him to stop. Don't I, Gerardo?
I don't. It's been a minute.
You haven't smoked in a while? Good. How long? Weeks? Nice. All right. That's what I'm talking about.
Happy Meal is kind of...
Yeah.
Therapy.
Nice.
Oh.
Don't get me started talking about the reefer. We choose DOD here, baby. DOB, Dob, discipline over bongs. All right, guys, we got 30 seconds, y'all. 30 seconds until our market opens up. Let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe today. Stay focused, and let's go.
Let's do this, Team Bull.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Good morning. How you doing today, Grizzly Glock?
Man, I'm doing amazing. Can't complain. How are you?
Good. Doing great. All right, Gerardo, let's go. Ding, 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 ding. All right. Good morning to all of my Team Bull friends and family. It is a beautiful day to choose discipline over dopamine, DOD, as we do each and every day. How's everyone doing this morning? Where y'all checking in from, Team Bull? Talk to me. Where's everyone coming in from this morning? Where's everybody rocking with me from this beautiful morning at Market Open? Where we all tapping in from? My backyard? I don't think so. Jersey, San Antonio, Lincoln, Nebraska. Yeehaw, baby, my hometown. Chicago, Denver. We had Denver in the house. Yes, Argentina, Vegas, Finland, Brazil, Montana, Alabama, Arkansas. I didn't know people lived there. Toronto, Vegas. I'm just kidding. Arkansas. Don't get mad at me. Come on. I'm from Nebraska. I don't got room to talk, bro. I didn't know people lived there either until I was born. Okay, Charleston, California, Maui. Let's go. We're worldwide today, baby. That's dope. Here's the deal, folks. We are going to trade smart, trade safe today. We're going to stay focused. We're going to wait the first 15 minutes. We're going to wait for our A+ setup, whether that's through DOD or a 2-bar setup. We're going to find ourselves a trend move, and hopefully we're going to make a bag. If you guys can commit to that with me, if you can commit to following your rules, choosing DOD, staying patient with me, your win rate will go up, your R multiple will go up, your success rate will go up, and ultimately, you'll enjoy your trading more. So let's get to it. Got the broker pulled up. Let's go ahead and mark out these key levels for everybody. Go ahead here, mark out pre-market high, pre-market low. Coat those blue, not to get them confused. All right. Now we'll wait for our 15-minute range to tap in, and we'll see what we can get, folks. See what we can get, folks. It's crazy. Tesla's at 390. This deal is dying. All right. Loveland CO. Let's go. I used to be up in Loveland all the time. There's a Runza up there. Love Runza. I freaking love that place. I can't eat it anymore, but I love it.
What is it?
Runza? Bro, so Runza is a Nebraska-based restaurant. Their main item is called a Runza. And it's this, all right, it sounds terrible, so bear with me. It's this big hoagie type thing with cabbage and ground beef and cheese, and that shit smacks. It is fire. I don't have it because I don't do gluten or dairy anymore, but I used to be plowing some Runzas on a weekly basis. So good. Runzas at Omaha, you get it. Like a cow's, I don't honestly, bro, I don't even know what is a calzone? Calzone. Sort of, kind of, ish. I was not plowing tortas. That's Gerardo. Yeah. Casa Bonita, yeah, if you want to be down bad the rest of the day. Casa Bonita is great. Casa Bonita? Casa Bonita. Casa Bonita. All right, I'm going to get my option chain pulled up as well today. Is that Gene? Gene! What's up, bro? Thank you, sir. Guess who just got here? I'm not talking about Gene. I'm talking about Pay Done, baby! Whoop, whoop! Pay Done in the house. Oh, you have groceries out there, huh?
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. Gene's in the house. Barista's here. Barista's here, baby. Ooh, all right. We got Pay Done in the house. Pay Done's here. Congratulations, you're all getting paid. Well, hopefully. We've been on a really nice winning streak, chat. What's it been, like 2 weeks? Something like that? We've been on a real nice win streak. Real nice win streak. Hopefully we can keep it up today. We're either going to keep the win streak up or we're going to lose small. No in between. All right. Yeah, hold on, let me say something real quick.
Un segundo.
Un segundo, por favor. All right. We got the coffee in hand, which for those who are new, that means I morph. It's like a caterpillar when they turn to a butterfly. I wake up as a caterpillar. When I get the coffee, I turn to the butterfly, which y'all know as Pay Done. I go from Jdun to Pay Done once this coffee comes. And once Pay Done's in the house, oh boy, you better watch out. I'm getting my people paid. Get my people paid. Get my people paid. So let's see. We went below pre-market low. Okay. Tesla's having a nice rebound too. Tesla's having a real nice rebound from 3. I thought we were going to just keep moving down in the 390s. Now we stay patient, everybody. We trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient. CFD or futures trading on NQ? All regulated futures trading. I don't do CFDs. Jdun, you are the best trader on YouTube. Well, you know, I appreciate that. I do my best. I think I'm the most disciplined. Got a pending payout in my account. Not going to be on the charts today. DOD is what got me here. Beyond grateful for what you do. Lucas, respectfully, close your broker down and go enjoy your day. Or if you want to hang out with me, I appreciate your company as well. But congratulations on your payout. Please don't give it back. Love seeing you win, bro. I'm proud of y'all. I'm proud of all you guys making progress in your trading. Gene, did you trade Asia last night?
Yeah,
How was it?
I was here.
Oh.
I got stopped out by like 12 points.
Oh, you got stopped out by 12 points. Damn. So you lost a trade. That means you're a scammer. Gene lost a trade. He's a scammer. Anytime you lose a trade, scam, 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 scam. We're not allowed to lose trades here. Mr. Scammer, Gene is redeeming the losing trades. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you're new or if you're not new, actually, if you're not new, if you guys have gotten value from this live in the last week, month, 6 months you've been here, make sure y'all drop a thumbs up. And then if you're new here, you're looking to make some money with me choosing DOD, Hit that thumbs up on YouTube. Let's get to 300 plus, baby. We had 500 plus likes yesterday, and we got an 80-point winning trade. Maybe 600 likes, we can get a 100-point winning trade. Come on, baby. Same deal with TikTok, too. Tap that screen over and over. Get them likes up, baby. Show the algo who's boss. Us. Team DOD is boss. We are boss. We're building the largest trading community in the entire space. We're growing every day. Y'all got to remember, I don't trade the first 15, 20 minutes. I'm going to let this market play out. I'm going to let price settle a little bit. And we already have a, let's see, we bounced at 650 to 9. We have a 250 point opening range already. Tell me that's not crazy. 250 point orb already is bananas.
Move up.
I know.
People, is anybody watching the screen share of the dashboard and showing this bullish divergence?
I'm watching individual names as well. I'm watching this Tesla. We had some really nice 2-bar setups on Tesla yesterday. I didn't get to execute on them.
I just want to mention that you took a trade and didn't text or comment.
I know. Everyone is giving me shit, bro. Literally every time I just get so focused and my brain just...
I'm just disappointed.
That's even worse. Grizzly's using a southern charm on me to make me feel bad. So I'm disappointed. I'm sad.
All right, I'm done guilt tripping. Let's catch a trade.
Now I'll make it up to you. I'll catch you a trade and you catch me a trade.
All right. Fair enough.
Interesting. So 2 full body candles up, but no volume confirmation there.
We haven't, if it wasn't for all the crazy selling we've had, I would consider like an 813 for longs.
You look for a pullback to midpoint of that candle. I could see that.
Well, yeah, we got point of control there. Very high volume. I'm gonna wait on the 15-minute range. We got like 3 minutes. It'll be in. So
Yep.
it'll pay us to be patient this morning.
I think on days where volatility is so heavy, it'll definitely pay. Oh my gosh. It's actually crazy looking at my crypto port. And mind you, most of my crypto is off exchange, which if you have over 1 Bitcoin, I'd highly recommend you look into putting your Bitcoin on the cold storage. But yeah, down over $100,000 today on Bitcoin. That's great. We're going to need a big trading day, folks. Big trading day, down 100 racks on the Bitcoin for the day. So we're going to need ourselves a miracle. No, I'm going to keep buying on the way down. It's fine. It's fine. I'm still net green. To me, it's a symmetrical bet. You know, if Bitcoin never made highs again, you know, I could have sold for what at the time? Like 2 mil, around 2 mil, something like that. I'd rather risk 2 mil to make 10. If I can risk 2 mil to make 10, that's a win for me, right? It's the same way I think about trading. If I risk 30, I want to make, 30, 40, 50, 60. I want to have at least 1 to 1. If I want to have 2 to 1. If I can get risk 30 to make 90, that's great. Doesn't happen all the time. Oh, I love you. Gene brought me espresso in the DOD cup. I don't quite have 20, but I have just under. I'm really, really close. Reminder, guys, yesterday it took me almost 2 hours to catch a winning trade. That isn't super uncommon. It happens. I choose DOD, so if I don't see a setup I like, I don't take the trade. That's what it is. Yeah, I'm so glad I sold that Revuelto. And I just sold that house too. So I'm very cash heavy right now. I'm very cash heavy right now. Ready to add as we go lower. Told your parents you're making bank today. Well, hopefully I can help you with that. Yep. Yeah, I think the Revueltos are going to see an SF90 type move. Again, we're about to be 15 minutes in, so we'll focus up a bit more on trading. We have our 15-minute range in. All right, let's mark that out. 15-minute high, 15-minute low. All right, you want to get that? We're going to mark out, guys, on our chart the 15-minute high here, 15-minute low. Now we have our range for the day set. We have, it's like a puzzle. You put the outside together first, and then we'll start working this puzzle and finding out where the market wants to head within it. And through that, we choose DOD, discipline over dopamine. We stay patient. We wait for our A+ setups. Like Elizabeth said, we don't trade the same strategist. Join for your psychology and to not feel alone. Thanks for the DOD reminders. I'm glad that my psychology can be of help. I'm glad that the DOD model and what we speak about here and go over every day helps you and thousands of people every day. So now we wait. We wait for our A+ setup to confirm. And we catch a winning trade or a managed losing trade. Survival of the fittest. Only strong survive. Hey, Grandma will be here tonight, so she'll be trading with us tomorrow, everybody. We'll have Grandma's bias tomorrow. No fear. I don't know what Gene's doing. We can't let the win streak fail us today. We will choose DOD. We will succeed. Grandma market maker done. Uncle Jay said day one at gym yesterday, adding to the full of DOD. Good sword. Now he fixed the diet. Hey, this might not sound crazy to some of y'all, but I'm proud of this. Guess what today is? 21 months of no alcohol today. Officially today marks 21 months. I haven't touched a sip of alcohol. That liquid poison, baby. No alcohol for getting close to 2 years. I'm psyched. I was never an alcoholic, and I was just like, you know what? I'm done for a year. After that year, I was like, I'm doing another year. I might even do a third year after my birthday in May. I appreciate y'all. No, I'm not celebrating with a shot, Gerardo. That's what Brandon always says. It's like, hey, congrats. Let me buy you a beer to celebrate. Thank you, guys. I appreciate y'all so much. Feels good. Am I done drinking for life? I don't know. I haven't decided. I wasn't an alcoholic. In all respect to anyone who's dealing with alcoholism, it's a really, really tough disease and really, really tough addiction for people. That wasn't me. I just decided that I wanted to choose DOD in my life, and I didn't need alcohol. There was literally no benefits. There was actually no benefits for me in drinking, so I was like, I'm going to take some time off, and that's what I've done. 21 months. I have no ambition of going back. There's not one thing I'm like, oh, I wish I had tequila. Besides if I went to Vegas, that might be a little more fun there. Not even going to lie. But I went to Vegas. I went to Vegas sober and it was fine. That's fantastic. I appreciate y'all. It's been pretty cool seeing a lot of people choose DOD and join in on the sobriety journey with me. Margs and Money, that's what it was called. We used to remember that, Gerardo?
Yeah.
I used to go out on Saturday and do Margs and Money on my IG story. Wait, let's see what this 50. What's up, bro? I was just talking about how I'm 21 months of no alcohol today. The 5th, yep. My last, I guess my start date was May 5th of 2024. So I'm coming up on 2 years. I can't even imagine if I had a drink right now. It's been a blessing being sober for 21 months. It reinforces my brand, which is DOD. That's not why I do it, but it does take discipline over dopamine to stay away from alcohol. It's a very tempting and available substance, right? It's everywhere. So I'm happy with my decision. 21 months sober. You guys know that I don't smoke weed. I don't do drugs. I just be vibing. I guess I do caffeine. Caffeine is a drug. And I love this drug. I won't let caffeine go, even though I know. Again, I'm a big science guy with that kind of stuff. I understand that over time, if you don't drink caffeine, you'll actually have more energy over time. I'm just gonna be honest. I just don't care. I just love coffee. So I'm not giving up my coffee. I gave up almost everything else. I love coffee. I don't even do gluten or dairy, bro. I literally went from sipping lean and doing drugs, and if you guys have seen those old pictures of me just looking degenerate and lifeless, to like no gluten, no dairy, no soy, no red 40, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no alcohol, no weed, nothing. Still no trades, guys. We're waiting for the market. We have a 50% retracement drawn out. We have no valid pullbacks on Tesla, no valid pullbacks on the NASDAQ right now. If I don't have confirmation, I don't trade. So I'm waiting for any sort of confirmation. We'll see how we react if we get down to this 50% retracement down here around 800. Potentially a trade, but I don't like how on this green candle you guys see here, we didn't have confirming volume. So that's a little concerning for me if I'm trying to catch an A+ move that has an edge to it. I'll be looking. I only use 2-bar setup on the 5-minute chart. We also have data in 8 minutes, guys. So we have jolts in 8 minutes. As a reminder, too, guys, if you guys want to get funded, I appreciate you using code Jdun. It's absolutely not necessary, but it is absolutely appreciated when you guys support your boy. I'll always do my best to help you guys get funded, get paid, and follow the right journey in your trading. Right now, Tradeify is 30% off. I recommend their select accounts. They come with daily payouts, end-of-day drawdown. Yeah, I appreciate you using it with Tradeify. They're the best deal right now. I recommend their select 50K accounts. It's their cheapest select accounts, 30% off with code JDUM. All right, let's see. No, the 40% off is only the select 150K. Again, the 150K is a more expensive account, but I don't recommend you guys the super expensive accounts. And if you guys spend more, obviously that helps me more, but I don't really care about that. I'll be the first influencer to tell you I don't want you trading on prop firms forever. I want you guys using these prop firms as a tool. Getting experience, getting payouts, and moving to a live account. They are a tool. They're not your end-all be-all. So I could sit here and say, yeah, buy the 150K, but that's not going to be good for a lot of y'all. A lot of you guys just need to get started, trade a 50K, prove you can get a payout on a 50K, and then we can talk about the bigger accounts. There's no need to spend your money. If you can spend $100 versus $300, I'd rather you spend $100. You feel me? Just like when I tell you guys don't copy trade 20 accounts at a time. Why? Prove you can do 1 account, 2 accounts, 5 accounts at a time, and then work your way up. You feel me? That's just real. If you guys want to spend more money, I guess you can. What does Jdun know about trading? Now, you can't even call me Jdun yet. You only get to call me Jdung, Jbum, Jdum, or Gaydun if I lose a trade. We've went over this. But at the same time, when I win you a trade, which happens most of the time, I need that same energy. I want pay done with a heart on it when I win you a trade. All right, that's the hater energy I need back. You get to hate when I lose. That's fine. But you're gonna say, okay, Naz Daddy, pay done when I win. And that's what happens most of the time, unfortunately for you, baby. All right, so interesting candle here. We get an aggressive rejection of the 15-minute high. Our volume isn't great. So let's take a look at this volume down here in accordance with these candle sizes. Not great. If we would have had aggressive volume here, I would have watched for a pullback up, maybe. What's the high here? 960, maybe to like this 930, 940 in here with stops above this high. But this is just, there's no way I would take even this pullback up here nearly 100 points of risk. Daddy done. I'll show you aggressive volume. What did I just read? I got to be careful. I'm reading these comments. Y'all are out of pocket sometimes. What's up, Gene? You taking any trades? Are we trading at the office tomorrow, Gene? All right, Team Bull. If you are in Colorado and you want to trade live with me tomorrow at the Team Bull headquarters, send me a DM. We'll do it tomorrow. Live trading is happening in person tomorrow in Colorado. If you're here / want to reserve a spot, DM ASAP at everyone. All right, we're going to do live trading in person tomorrow in Colorado. So if you're here, we have 12 spots to come to the headquarters and trade with me in person. Of course, I'll be live with y'all on Team Bull too, but Gene, I guess you can come. No. All right, let's see how we react here, guys. We're at this 50% retracement for the day. We didn't have confirming volume here, so it's a little sketchier with how the trend's been. Maybe we can get a 2-bar setup here if we can get some volume on this candle. You know what I hope doesn't happen, Grizzly? I hope they don't do the same BS they did to start yesterday. I mean, we caught a banger trade 2 hours in, but those initial candles, like that first initial sell-off candle we saw here, was on games. Aggressive body, but no volume follow-through. No volume follow-through whatsoever. Yeah. No, I was telling you, I hope they don't do the same thing they did to us yesterday at Open, where they have these aggressive candles, but there's no volume follow-through.
Yeah, so far that's the case. I was hoping we get a high volume candle on that red one so we can look for a pullback.
I know. Me too.
Previous one. And I thought about taking a bounce down here, but we just moved so quickly, it made me hesitant. On low volume.
We are going to be hosting live trading in person tomorrow. So if you're in Colorado and you'd like to come, you can join me for live trading. We'll trade literally 10 feet from each other. This is so odd. We're getting this aggressive push, but not a lot of volume. This is why I didn't take that bounce up there either. TJR, Jdun versus TJR boxing match. All right, TJR is my boy. I support Kill Tech at all times. We're both 6'5", but I'm just going to say it. TJR, if you're watching, I'll whoop that ass, my boy. Your boy been boxing on and off and doing MMA for a long time. And I like TJR. He's a nice guy. I rock his brand all the time. Clip it and send it to him. I'll box him. A friendly. We'll each put out 50K and we'll put it to charity. I am 6'7". I think he's 6'5". I'm technically 6'6" 3/4 if you actually measured me, but I'd round up to 6'7" because yeah, I don't know why. Eddie, you don't realize I'm very tall. You guys don't realize whenever I meet people in person, if any of y'all met me in person, you can comment in the chat too. The first reaction I get is everyone's like, holy shit, you're really tall. Excuse my language. This is not a 2-bar setup. We don't have the volume. Same thing as yesterday, bro. Look at that. We get this aggressive candle, but we have less volume. Why does it keep doing that? What's up, bro? I'll let you know if I'm going to take a trade. Keeps doing this. I hope it doesn't do that to us all day. Hopefully it doesn't play games with us. If you guys seen my picture with Terry Crews, I make that man look relatively small. And he's a big guy. He's a big boy. He was actually he was awesome to meet too. Damn, I got a DM. Someone said, got my first payout of many to come. Thanks to you, brother. Thank you for all that you do. DOD for life. That's amazing. You guys make me so happy. I love when you guys send me DMs. You guys getting payouts. You guys making progress with DOD. All right, maybe we'll get a confirmation candle here. Let's wait to see how this 5-minute closes. You guys need to understand my trading strategy is very boring. I stay very patient every day. I only take 1 to 2 good trades a day. Honestly, a lot of days I only take 1. If I take 1 good trade, I'll typically be done. If I see another good setup, I'll take it, but I'll typically put a little less risk on. And the same deal, if I take 2 full-size losses, I'm done for the day as well. So if I lose over $2,000 on my live account, I typically lock it up. Boring does make money. That's right. Yeah, if you want to come to live trading tomorrow, Team Bull, just DM me on Discord. If you're in Colorado and you'd like to come, we have 12 spots. Honestly, Veronica, it was crazy going to that event. There was 700 traders there. And mind you, it wasn't my event. I didn't even really talk about going too much towards the end. I took pictures with 200 plus people and met 200 plus of you guys. Like a third of the event came up and said hi and had positive things to say. It was awesome. It made me really happy. All right, we might get volume confirmation. We might get volume confirmation on this candle. Let's see how we react or where we close in terms of this pre-market low and 15-minute low. I'm actually going to trade a little less size today and focus on bigger move. All right, I think we're going to get a 2-bar setup, guys. Now it will, because these candles are so aggressive, I'm likely going to be trading less size today if I end up executing, and going to have a little bit bigger point stop loss.
Quite a bit of risk on this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna size down a little bit today. At this point, I'll let you guys know if that changes. It's calling me. Who thinks they can call me during trading hours? Hello, I'm happy for you. Sorry that happened. Can't talk right now. I've got to go by. Can't call me during trading hours. You know this. Come on. All right, so we do have a 2-bar setup here, okay? Let's look at this. However, 750 to I'll watch for a pullback up to here to like 750 to 760. I'm open to this area if we get it. We closed right at pre-market low. I'm open to the pullback for shorts. I'm not going to chase this down though. With this insane volatility, I think we're going to have a little more patience today. What? The coffee's strong? I haven't tried it yet. It's crazy. Do I need some espresso in my life?
It's pretty crazy.
All right. I'm going to wait for this pullback up, guys. If you're watching screen share, there's a possibility where I take this short if we move back up here to like 750, 760 with stops above 800. If we don't get that pullback back up, I'm not going to chase this to the downside. I'm a retest trader. You want a girlfriend and you want a new girlfriend. Well, so you're looking for it in a TikTok live trading chat? You want a Naz mommy? Where the Naz mommies at? Give my boy a girlfriend. You better come in here with something to offer, though, my boy. Mom builds a business. Can you build my man a relationship too? Naz mommy ain't cheap, my boy. You better be bringing something to the table. You feel me? Wow. Just no pullbacks. No significant pullbacks. No retracements yet. And I don't like that we're going to take out 15-minute low and retrace back up too. So that's going to be... So what I'll do sometimes too, guys, we have a potential opening range setup. So let's say we get this. Let's draw out another possibility. If we do get an aggressive sell candle down and we close, say, let's call it 600. Just example. If we have higher volume, we can look for a retest back up into here with stops above this candle high too. That's a high probability setup as well. I'm not sure we get it, but it's a possibility that we get. There's a chance. Tesla is also showing us some promise for continuation to the downside. While we're waiting for this trade, as a reminder, if you're on TikTok, I trade live every single morning. I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button in the top left corner if you're looking to get every trade that I take, all of my education, and learn how to trade yourself so you can make this into a part-time or full-time income eventually, whatever your goals may be. Make sure you hit that follow button. Same thing with YouTube. I appreciate you being here. We're hitting new highs every single day in concurrent viewers. I appreciate every one of you guys coming. I'll do my best to help you with discipline, help you implement the DOD system, and we're just getting started, baby. I appreciate y'all being here more than you know. I appreciate your support more than you guys know. What am I supposed to do with this candle? Genuinely, what am I literally supposed to do with this candle? Right between pre-market high and pre-market low. We do have a potential setup on Tesla. If we retest this 393, we have a 2-bar as well, but it's right. There's not a lot I can do with this candle right here, folks. We tapped this 15-minute low, moved above it. We're below pre-market low, but we're above 15-minute low. With lowering volume. It's interesting. Maybe this will give us a setup. Oof. Didn't quite get there on Tesla. Three, the calls, the puts. Jeez Louise, these puts are going crazy on Tesla. $380. I think we might get a setup here, though, guys. If we can retest back into here, we can retest back up into like the 660 up to 680 with stops above 710. If we can get this strong close down here, guys, we can look for the retest back up. I'm open to it. It's going to take some patience. Jeez Louise. You seen this drop, Gene? With no pullback whatsoever? It's all right. Order filled. Who's trading? Who was that? Who's out here trading? I'm getting better at that. That was good too. I'm getting a little too good at that. Hey, as a reminder too, TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. There's almost 700 y'all on TikTok. You guys can get full screen share if you tap into the YouTube. Jdun Trades. We're building the biggest community in the game. JDUN trades on YouTube, baby. Tap in, get full screen share, watch all my charting. When we take a trade, you can actually see what I'm charting in the Y. We got 40 more seconds. 40 more seconds on this candle. If we get the close, I will wait. I will watch for a pullback. Ooh, that lines up perfectly. Ooh, oh yeah. If we get this pullback to 660, I'll take a trade with stops above 700, or probably above like 710. I will almost guaranteed take this trade, guys. If we close here, we have higher volume. We got the body. I'll wait for a pullback back up. Take the shorts with stops above this area. There's going to be a bit more points risk, so we'd have to have that baked in. Damn, we need a 100-point move up to get that retest. We're not going to get that. This is the area I'm looking for shorts. I will take this trade if we get up here, and I will put my stop above this pre-market low. If we get stopped out, we have that planned. If we make our money, then we make our money. There's going to be about 40-plus points of risk right here. We go. We're getting closer. I want like 660 on this. We're getting up there. A little higher. Come on. I just can't take it this early. That's so much risk. A little higher. Come on. Give me like 660. Come on. No, don't reject yet. Don't reject yet. Don't reject yet. Don't reject that. No. No. Oh my gosh. If it rejects 13 points early. Well, 660, I'll start the position. I'll let you guys know when I'm in. I'm trading micros today, guys. I'm trading micros today. I'll let you guys know when I get in. Come on. I'm starting a piece of micros, guys. I'm starting a piece of micros. I'm doing something a little different here. I'm doing something a little different here. I started a piece of micros, guys, for shorts. Really, really, really small size. I think there's a good chance this two bar plays out. Really, really small size. I'm keeping my wrist very small because I added so early. Go ahead, pull this up. Let's see here. I have my stop set now at 660. I got a bad fill on that. Did not get a good fill on that at all. I did attempt this 2-bar setup on this trade, guys. What's this high here? 660. If we get a move higher, I can look for re-entry. But I did try that early entry on these. Where's 660? There we go. On these shorts. The trade that I'd like to see is a move to like 660 to 680 with stops above 700. I got a terrible fill in that trade. Terrible. Terrible fill in that trade. I also don't like how this candle looks here at all. I don't like that even a little. I'm going to keep my stop the same at the 660, but I don't love, you see this 5-minute chart here? Look at this candle. We have higher volume. I'm not going to add to this position, guys. I'm going to keep my stop the same. I'm trading very small size micros. I'm not adding. I don't love this 5. You guys see this 5-minute candlestick here with rising volume here, full body. Don't love that at all. Don't love that even a little. I'm going to keep my stop the same because my risk is so minimal. But it's not looking great, folks. It's not looking super fantastic right now. We'll see. See if the overall downtrend can move us down, but this is not the type of continuation candle I want to see. We are in the green on this, folks. We are in the green, but it doesn't look super great. If you guys want, you can set your stops to break even. I think there's a possibility that we bounce the 50% retracement of this candle right here. I'm keeping my plan the same. I'm going to let this play out, but it doesn't look... It's not the systematic edge we want to see in a setup like this. Whenever you see a higher volume reversal candle, there's a good chance that we come, test into this 50% like we're seeing here, and then move on up. If I had any sort of significant risk on, I would likely mitigate that risk on this move down. I'm still keeping my stop the same. I want to see a move down. I'm going to hold through this even though it doesn't look great. And worst case, I get stopped at 660. If we close this candle weak, I'll move my stops down to like 640. There's a good chance we end up bouncing this 50% and moving on up. As you guys are probably going to see here in real time. Oh, wow. It just went and got my stop, everybody. I lost $499.50 on that trade. Can't say I lost 500. I'm still open. I swear, if it pings my stop here and dies, I'm going to be so salty. I'm going to be so salty if it pings my stop and just dies here. By literally, let me remove this. 660 to 664. I'm going to be so salty if that happens. I'm going to be so salty. If we go ping that and then die, I'm going to be so salty. Don't do it. Don't do it. I had a terrible fill in that trade. Otherwise, I would have had a wider stop. I got literally a horrible fill. Horrible. Horrible fill. Oh my gosh. No way, bro. No way it's going to go up and do that and then go to low a day. Ain't no way. We're going to choose DOD, though. We'll find another good setup. Or we won't. And we'll break the win streak. Horrible, horrible fill. Right idea. Horrible fill on that trade. Terrible.
I mean, literally just got your stop and
I don't want to talk about it, bro.
But it you're stopped by like 2 points.
Literally 2 points. That's foul. That's foul. Foul AF. It's all right. It was low risk, so we still got room in the tank for one more if it confirms, but if not, it's okay. It's okay if it doesn't confirm. If it does, we'll rip it, but if it doesn't, then I accept the outcome. I still would like to see after we saw that 5-minute candle, I was very worried. I was very worried after we seen that 5-minute strong volume candle. Let's see what this looks like. The 50% retracement for the day is up like 750. Honestly, I wouldn't have even gotten the risk reward I wanted to take profit anyway if we go back up. So if we go down, it's a different story.
Considering shorts, everyone, between 707 to 735 area. I'll let you all know if I take something.
That's what I'm looking for. I'd love to see us come test pre-market low and fail too. I'd love to see that. It's gonna do some BS here, bro. Watch this candle send us to low a day, bro. Watch. Here it comes. Yep, that's what's gonna happen. Right idea. Just unfortunate luck. Let's see, 66. That's sketchy. Almost said 666. Staying patient, guys. I still think we can find another A+ setup. If it goes low a day here, I'm gonna be so sad. DOD, DOD, DOD. We don't need dopamine. Bias was right. Literally, the fact that it just pinged it by literally 2 points is sickening. Sickening, bro. 2. Not 4, not 10, not 20. 2. 2 points. You see that, Gerardo? How foul is that? All right, is what it is. We move on. We chalk to the game. We look for the next good trade. If we get a strong candle here with a close, I'll look for a retest back up and continuation down. I'd like to see this pre-market low area. This is what I wanted to see. It's up here. We're going low a day on this candle. You can see it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're about to blast off low a day. Without me. Don't bother bringing me. I didn't want to come anyway. Unreal. I didn't want to come anyway. Staying disciplined, though, guys. Choosing DOD. Wait for the next good setup. Wait for the next good setup. Got about 1 more minute left on. Where'd this go? There we go. 1 more minute left on this candle. We got a strong close here with higher volume. I'll look for a retest back up, and I'll try the shorts again with stops above 665. We can try the 2-bar again. If we get a stronger volume close, we could look for a test up to like 630 with stops above 665. given our aggressive price action, would be a bit higher risk, but I'm open to the idea. I think I'd rather see us test the 700, 705 area where pre-market low is, but just don't know if we get that today. Or maybe later, but I don't know if we get it right now, I should say. Knowing my luck, it's going to just close on here, test up, and do us dirty. All right, so the 2-bar is valid here. We need to move up to like 630s. With stops above 665. All right, guys, we're getting to that zone. Come on, a little higher. This price action's been pretty crazy, so it's a little higher risk if you take it up here. I'll let you guys know if I enter. I wanted to see 630. No, don't go already. Don't do it. Literally gave a move to 620. Let's see here. Things that they... What's the low a day? It's 550. Here's the deal, guys. Here's what I'm willing to do. If we get to 630, I'm willing to try one more piece of micros for shorts. If I get stopped on that, I'll watch for one more trade at pre-market low. If I lose that, I'll be at my loss limit for the day. I'll be done. No, don't reject already. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right. I'm frustrated. Calling the DOD wants and needs. We literally got within 3 points of my entry. That's so lame, bro. What, 2.5 points? 630, order ready. Nope. Not for you, Jdun. And now the setup's almost invalidated because we're about to touch low a day. If we sweep low a day, that setup's no longer valid. Is what it is. Is what it is, baby. Cheers, some coffee to that, I guess. Now it's invalid. I can't even take it if we go back to 630. It's not valid anymore. The only valid setup now is, I guess, if we had an impulse candle up, failed, and then went lower. Woosah. You seeing this, Gene?
Yeah.
So foul. So foul, bro.
They did the same thing to me last night.
12 points?
Yep. And then ripped down 40.
Yeah. 2 point stop and then 3 points to entry, and it's going to hit low a day. Just loves breaking my heart. Loves breaking my heart. Loves crushing my soul. It's all right. We'll find another good setup. I'm not worried about it. I'd still like to see move to pre-market low. I can't believe that, bro. 530, we were 2 points away. 2.5 points away. How absolutely lame. With the 2-bar worked, I just want to see a bit higher because this candle was so high up at 665. Sigh. I promise you trading is not dead, my friend. I promise you we're good. Just gotta find the next winner. The setup's not valid for me anymore either. So now I have to wait again. Let's see what the overall high to low is on the day. It's a ways away, down to like 7 or 770. See, this is where I'd start to feel my emotion kick in, where I'm like, oh, I don't want to miss this trade. I want to enter here. And while you could enter here, and you might make money if it moves down, it's not a systematic entry. That's where DOD comes in for me. Like, yes, do I want to impulsively enter here because I didn't get my entry by 2.5 points? Yes, and it might make money. We might see a flush down to low a day right here. But that doesn't mean it's a good entry. That doesn't mean it's a good trade, even if you make money on it. If it's not repeatable, it's not a good trade. So that's where it comes in, where I say, all right, well, I'm going to stay patient. I'll wait for my next good setup. It's fine. I'm a little bummed. It's a little annoying, but we're going to get that same setup over and over again. I'm not worried about it. We wait. We stay patient. I think there's a good chance we rip to low a day right here. The risk is just too much to put my cards on that. So we wait. All right. I still like 700 area for shorts. I still like that pre-market low. I'd love to see us trap some late sellers and then rip back down. $7 to 730. What's this candle? Oh yeah, we might be able to look for a move to like 710 to 750 ish. This range with stops above like. That's so rich. What?
I seen Drex in the chat said we have a Fed speaker. I wasn't aware. It is.
We still got an hour. I'm not worried about it.
50 is when the Fed speaker starts. Okay.
Ugh. Don't call it a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. I'm not taking this trade up here, guys. We might reject. I don't care. I'm not taking it. We already touched once. I will wait for my A+ setup up here, or I'll just end my day slightly red.
What are you looking for now, Jdun?
Pull up to pre-market low, like 707 to 7. Oh gosh, it's such a wide range. 707 to 750 for shorts.
735 is what I was thinking for my end.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Stop at 760.
I think I'll put. I'd rather enter 735 to 750 with stops at 800. I'll just use less. I'll just use micros, less size, and give it some room. Because ultimately, my target would be a test up into that 50% retracement for the day, and then I move back down to low a day. This is why you don't enter late, guys. You see that? If you would have entered late, you would have been demolished. I want to see move back up to pre-market low. I'll start thinking about shorts again around 707. I'll let you guys know if I take it, of course. I think I'd rather see that 730 area we spoke about, though. Come on, don't reject yet. Go higher. Give us a nice trend move. Reject. What is this price action, bro? It's going to take some patience. That's what it is. Choosing DOD, guys. I think the move today is that 715 to 757 area. If we can get it, I think that this area gives us the best probability to find a lower high, or a lower high for the day, and then the continuation down. At a minimum, going to move back down to pre-market low and 15-minute low. So your reminder to choose DOD today, guys. Stay focused, trade smart, trade safe. And we are going to wait. And all right, let's see. Waiting for my entry up here. Staying patient. I just hope we don't get some massive reversal. Demand is demanding.
That volume is really low. So anyway, compared to the last couple of years.
I want to see a pop above 700 and like 730. Not sure we get it, but I'd like to see a massive push up and a failure and then just dying if we're going to get that trend continuation.
Bitcoin's at 67.
What?
Oh no, this isn't a good sign for the shorts, guys. Look what's happening. You guys see volume and price? What's happening? There's a 2-bar forming. That's what's happening to the upside. Mr. C, let's go. Mr. C said, just wanted to let you know that I've locked my account to ensure I don't trade because I'm now qualified for my first ever payout, $37.50 on 2 accounts, $7,500 payout. Appreciate your mentorship from the mentor program. That's amazing, bro. Let's go. That's major. Give that man some reacts. Give that man some fire emojis in the Discord. $7,000 payouts major. Okay, let's see here. This is so tough to reject. We have higher volume. Wick to the upside. Reject a pre-market high, but above, or pre-market low, but above 15-minute low. Man. What am I supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with that? $700, $660. All right. I got one more trade. What? I know. It's just so aggressive up and down. Well, at least you didn't get stopped out by 2 points, then miss your entry by 2.5 points earlier. So that's a plus, right? I got that one for you, bro. Don't worry. I have one more trade on watch. If we can close this candle around here, I'll look for a pop-up. I will try that 660 reject again with stops above 700. I will try that again if we get a strong close down here. Let's see, the low here is 550. I'm going to look, if we close this candle here, we got a few more minutes left on this. I'm going to look for a pullback up to 660, even to 640 to 660. Stops above 700. Willing to have a little bit more point risk today with less size on because of how price action's been. Come on, don't just dump it. Don't just do that. Give us one more chance to enter on a lower high. I will try that. I will try it if we get a strong close here. This looks like it's the typical setup where we come, consolidate down here, make this lower high, and we find a new low based on the trend. I am live. Yep. Well, obviously you can't hear that if you're asking, but yes. Oh my gosh, bro. Why are they doing this to us? What am I supposed to do with this? Every 5-minute candle is 100 plus points. You shouldn't completely lose it. You should be choosing DOD. Just got to stay patient. I am, honestly, here's the deal, guys. With how strong this trend is, I don't love this volume. If we do get up to this retest zone, I will try this. I have one more trade in the day. Well, I technically have 2 if I use smaller size, but I will look for this test of 620 to 660. For shorts, with stops above, call it 690, 92. It could be above 700, but If we go above this candle here, we likely test this anyway. We're going to go low a day here before we even freaking test. I want to see 630 to 660. Come on. Higher. Give us higher. Not the volume I want to see. But we get that move back up to this zone, I will try it. Again, less size. Less crazy volatile action. Less edge. We don't have the volume I'd want to see here, so that's disappointing. But I still think the candle structure looks decent, and it's worth a try if we move up to this area. I won't try it early. I will miss this entire move if we reject down here. I can't try it early. There's too much risk. We don't have volume confirmation. I just can't do it. My finger's on the trigger for the shorts, but I have not entered yet. Can't enter early. At 620, going up a little higher. Come on, give me like 6. What's the high? 690. So 640. Started a micro piece of shorts, guys. Let's pop up. Started again. Shorts. Started those shorts up there. It was quick. I'd like to see a low a day now. Started those shorts up there, guys. Have my hard stop set. 690. I'd like to see us die to 550. Come on. We need to break this low with this candle. Come on. Break down 600. Let it die. Took another trade. We'll see how it goes. Took those shorts up there. We're in the shorts. I'm trading light size micros with this crazy action. This action has been wild. So we got like a 30-point move there, but no room to trim. All right, this is the main area I like, everybody. Up here. If we go above 700, it's no longer valid. This is the main area I like. Go above 700, it's no longer valid. This price action is insane, so you got to have hard stops in. Got to have hard stops in. Now let it die. Give us low of day. Give us low of day, baby. Come on. We want 550. We want 550, everybody. If we go above 700, it's not valid. If we close this candle weak, I'll also move my stop down, or I'm going to get stopped out of my small micro position at 690. What is that? 692? I want to see us flush the 600. If we don't do that, we're in trouble. My price target on this is 550. It looks good so far now, guys. Come on. Flush the 600. Flush the 600. Come on. Come on. Push it down. Come on. I'm just tempted to move my stop down to like 660, but come on, break this down. I'm keeping my stop the same. I'm keeping it at 690. I'm not moving my stop down with this crazy action. I'm either getting stopped out at my planned spot or I'm getting my price target at 550. Again, you manage your trade how you see fit. I'm letting this puppy run. If you're nervous, manage how you see fit. I'm letting this trade work out how I planned it to. We got from 630 area down to 585. I want to see more out of this. If we end up breaking back above this 690 area, I'll take my stop to the chin and I'll lose my trade.
Gotta go to my office real quick.
Draw it out. Oh. Come on. I want to see this move down. Come on. Flush 600, please.
Still around. I'm still looking, people.
Come on. We want low a day out of this, folks. About 40 points so far. Come on. I want more out of this, guys. I want this low of day. Come on. Jordo! Hurry! You grab Jordo. Come on, baby. Low a day. Low a day, baby. Come on. All right, I got to be smart here. I'm going to take a few contracts off, guys. I got to be smart here. I'm going to take a few contracts off here. 50 plus points, 60 points. I want low a day out of this. I want 550. Come on. Don't call it a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. Oh, you got that? All right. We trimmed a little off here. We got this running. Back to about break even on the day. We want to see this price target of 550 hit. Come on, baby. Don't call it a comeback. Come on, baby. Come on. And we're going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and shift the stop order now to 655. I'm moving my stops down. We got to move down to 570. I want to see more, though. I did trail my stops down a little. I want to see further down. I want to see a new low of day. My stops are above that previous 5-minute candle. I'm going to actually put them at 660, above the 15-minute high. Right there, yep. I want to see a low of day on this, folks. We got to move from that like 630 down to 568. Not a bad trade. I'm unsatisfied till we get new low day at 550. So I don't know if it's going to happen before if we're going to get that before we stop out. We'll see. Well, one winner, one loser. That candle looks good before. I'm not sure if it's going to give us the continuation we want. We got a little bit. That doesn't look good, guys. That don't look good. The second you sat down, you're good now. You're good. Come on. Come on. Other way. Don't stop us out. I got a nice trim down there at least, so that helps. This price action is freaking whack today. Sorry, I wanted a low day out of that, guys. I'm glad we got a nice trim off, but come on. I have a feeling we're going to push this. Push this. We'll see. We need a nice push from our sellers down. They're not doing their job right now. One winner, one loser. Don't. Bro made me lose so much money today. Well, you clearly took one small losing trade to start and then didn't take the second banger. We'll take it. We'll take it today. I wanted to see us move down to low a day. It's still a possibility. Still a possibility. I think we're gonna have a hard time pushing though. We've made. I don't like how on this chart we've held this low, made a higher low here, and now we're kind of lingering here. We'd want to see a push back down. It's not looking super great. Looks like we almost want to go retest back up before any further dip, or we want to make a reversal. Fall to lose it all. Come on, push it down. Give us 550. If you guys got that, ad up there at the main spot, that was nasty. Come on. Push us down. Let's get a new low of day now. Give me my new low of day. I'm not asking for a lot. Really not. Just for some continuation down with volume confirmation. Is that not asking for too much? Come on. Oh, flush 600, baby, please. Flush 600. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Looks good, too. If we can get this candle closed down here. We'll see if we bounce this 50%.
I still like the.
Come on. Push it down, baby. Give me new low a day. Come on. Give it to NASDaddy. Give me new low a day. Come on. Come on, baby. Give me new low a day. Do it for me. Come on. Do it for me. Come on. Push it down. Push it down. No. Other way. Other low a day. That's a good candle, though. That's a good candle. That looks really good for our attempt at 550. That looks really good, guys. If you guys want to trim down here, I wouldn't blame you. Depending if you entered at 630 to 660. I'm trading light today. I don't have a lot more to trim, but I'm hoping that we can get this move to 550. That would be great. Told you I was going to catch you a winner. Should be a winner for everybody. Come on. Come on. This looks good, guys. Looks like we won it. It looks good. There we go. Come on. Come on. No, a little more. Stop bouncing this area. We want new low a day, folks. Come on. Give us 550. Give me 550. Where's the magnet? I need to find the little emoji with the magnet. We want a magnet down here. 550 is what we want, folks. 40, 50, 60 points depending on your entry. We want 550. We want 550. Give me my 550 and give it to me right now. Come on. Give me my 550. Give me my new low a day. Come on. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. I'm taking off a little more right here, guys, just in case. I'm taking off a little more. Now, final trim spot is going to be at new low a day. 550. Final trim spot. Trading light today is going to be below 550 when we get this new low a day here soon. We got volume confirmation. Everything looks good. Stop setting your break even. Let's get this move down. Let's get this 550. I told y'all I got y'all with a winner. Just took me a little bit, guys. It just took a little bit. We're going to get this 550. I have faith. I have hope. System and probabilities say we will. If you haven't yet, be sure to lock in. Come on. Come on. Next trim's down here. Almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there, baby. Come on. We're almost there. We're almost there. Come on, baby. Come on. Almost there. We're almost to our new low a day. Dump it. Die. Dump it. Dump it. Come on. Come on. Come on. A little more. A little more. Come on. Don't be shy. Naz Daddy's nice to you. Come on. Push it down. A little more. A little more. Gonna trail my stops down a bit more to 610. Just in case. Give us more. We want to see this flush of this new low today. We almost touched it. We almost touched it. We want to see more now. Push us lower. This is it. Here it comes. Come on. Do it for me. Downward dog. Downward dog. Like Young Jock said, it's going down. Like Snoop Dogg said, jump a low girl, jump a low girl, jump a low girl. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Die. Die. No, 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 no. Other way. No. No. Stop set at the high of this candle. Above break even. I want to see lower, but you know what? We got our... Oh, don't do it. All right, guys, I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade, but we got from that 630 to 660 area, whatever area you entered, down to almost our profit target. Almost there. We went from red to green in the day 2. We'll take that all day, every day. I still think we go lower, but I had to follow my risk management. All right, guys, here's the deal. If you took both those trades, small loss, big win, if you guys ended green with me, if you guys made some money on that, type in the chat. How'd you guys do? Small loser start, big win to end. Come on, you guys choose DOD with me? I seen a lot of y'all tagging me. We keep our losses small, we keep our wins big, and we hold our winners. We hold our winners, baby. 1 loss, 1 win. How'd y'all do with me? 400, 200, 25K, 400, that might be capped. 22, 150, 480, 700, 740, 133, 420, 1200, 1700, 400. Let's go! And we're going to go lower here. Watch. Watch. We're going lower here. Let's go! 1 loss, 1 win, baby. 1 loss, 1 win. We'll take it. We'll take it, baby. We'll take it. What's the high here? $610. Let's go. I told y'all I got your back. I told y'all I got your back. Come on. I told y'all I got your bag, baby. Small losses, big wins. I told you we were coming back with a win. You thought this was a game? You thought this was a game? I still think we go lower. We'll see. Hopefully you guys stay disciplined with me. That's the main thing. Whether you won money or lost money, if you stayed disciplined and followed your system today, that's a win. That's what I care about most for y'all. That's what I care about most for y'all. I still think we go lower here. Here we go. Blast off. Here we go. I'm just happy we caught a win together. A really nice win at that. Super nice win. Super nice win, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And when you can go red to green, we'll take that all day, every day. We'll take that all day, every day. We're going low a day here. It's going to go without me, of course. Literally wicked my stop out again, Gene, by 1. Bro, not even a point. Let's see. By literally, no, by 1 point. That's insane. So foul. So foul. Just, you respectfully, bro, you've been emotional in chat all day, and I say that respectfully. You got to leave for the day. You're back green. Literally close your computer and leave. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Take your wins and chill. Look at that. Low of days coming. Here it comes. This was my profit target right here. That's what I wanted. See if we sweep that low now and move down, or if we move back up. That was my profit target. There it was right there. Swept that low, trapping some late shorters, late sellers. You need to leave for the day. Take your money and leave. You like my entertainment? Hopefully I help you with discipline. I try to be entertaining, but hopefully I help you out with your discipline too. Jeez Louise, look at that. Talk about trapping some late shorters. That's why you don't chase the bottoms. Order rejected. I gotta practice that one. I'm not very good at that yet. Order filled. That's better. All right, let's see here. I'm so happy. You're helping me with my flight anxiety. I'm on a plane now listening. It's distracting me. I got you. Anxiety never wins with us, baby. We win. I told you guys I'm the short king. Why do you guys keep making fun of me for being 5'7" or 5'5"? I told you, at least I embrace being the short king. Why you guys be mean to me? Why you guys being mean to me? I am the short king. They're being mean to me. What's wrong with that? Yeah, see, that's why you keep your stop set, my friends. Right there. Right there. Look at that. So what? I'm 5'6" and 3/4. I round up to 5'7". Deal with it. The haters had a chance to call me Jdun after the first trade. Not after that second one, though. That second one was a nuker. Almost 100-point trade. Maybe a 100-point trade, depending on your entry. Just saying. Just saying. BTC has me depressed. Well, then don't look at it. Delete your app. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that candle. What's up, dog?
What's up, dude?
Is my real name Jdun? Yeah. It's short for Jaquan.
Jaquan?
Yeah, my real name is Jaquan, but they call me Jdun. Y'all can call me Jaquan just in this chat. You guys aren't allowed to call me Gayquan, though. That's unacceptable. Only if I lose. No, on the real, my name is Jaquan or Payquan. You can call me Payquan too. Jamal. Jamal Dunn. Yeah, Jdun short for Jamal Dunn, actually. Yeah, that's right. That's exactly what it is. Cedric, it's both. All right, guys, I'm curious. How many of you guys trade prediction markets here? I got an ad that I got to read to y'all. I've partnered up with Webull, which I've been thinking about trying for my futures trading too. And I got y'all a special offer for the Pro Football Championship. I got to read this like a damn robot. If I've helped you out with your trading, I'd appreciate if you support this and listen to this as long as you choose DOD. So before we jump back into the charts, I want to quickly talk about something I've been exploring that actually fits really well as long as you use DOD. It's how I think about the markets. A lot of people look at major sporting events and treat them like entertainment. I look at them like price action and probability. I use probabilities in everything that I do. Why is Grizzly? Come on. If you on Webull, they offer event contracts where instead of trading stocks, you can trade stocks too. You're trading how the market is pricing a specific outcome. Each contract settles at $1 if it happens and $0 if it doesn't. Price tells you the market's current expectation, which again, remind you, you got to use DOD if you guys are participating in prediction markets. You can do it with futures too. What's interesting to me is it's the same process I use every day: reading sentiment, reacting to new information, and managing risk instead of guessing. Prices move as expectations change, and you're not locked in until the end. These markets are regulated and transparent, and right now, at this second, Webull is offering $0 commissions on big game events, related contracts, which makes it easier to explore how these markets actually move if you're looking for a higher probability. If you already think in probabilities of market structure, this is just another way to apply that mindset. I'll leave the link right here if you want to tap in. So if I helped y'all make some money today, and if you're gonna participate in prediction markets, there you go. Tap in with the Webull. They offer futures. They offer prediction markets for the big pro football game. But please, if you're going to participate in those, always be safe and choose DOD. Oh my gosh, look at that. If you guys are at any point participating in prediction markets, you guys got to use DOD. I tell that to everyone. You got to have an edge. You can't just go out and blindly put money on things. But if you'd like to support your boy and tap in with Webull, they got futures trading, they have options trading, and they offer prediction markets, which I think is pretty cool. I put the link here if you'd like to sign up and support your boy. So yeah, we look at this chart right here. We look at this candlestick. Higher volume, aggressive node. This is something you would not want to short. We're testing that 730. This was my original short spot before. If we reject this aggressively, this could end up being our lower high for the day. Let's take our Fibonacci retracement tool and look. I'd like to see more into this 50% retracement, but I will not take anything short unless we confirm into here and move down. Hey, I made you money today. Shut it. I make y'all money every day with DOD. If you're rocking with prediction markets, you're gonna do it anyway, regardless of me. So at least I can tell you, hey, trade smart, trade safe, or predict smart, predict safe, right? It's the same thing with trading. If you go in without an edge, you're gambling. It's the same thing. I always say that I don't do a lot of sports betting. I do some, but I always manage my risk very carefully. If I am gonna participate in prediction markets, I'm gonna be very safe with my capital. Unless I have an edge. If I have some sort of data-backed edge, I'll participate, but I'm never gonna just degen. He did just make us money. At least we can do is listen to an ad. Come on, right? I support y'all every day. I give you guys winning trades for free every single day. Almost every single day. Come on. You scratch my back, I scratch yours, right? What's wrong with that? I tell you guys, DOD, I tell you not to be an idiot with your money. I tell you to trade smart, trade safe. Come on. And I'll let you call me Jdun. Like what? Come on. And besides prediction markets, which Webull offers, they offer futures. They also offer options trading. The funny thing about my back is that it's located. Y'all are hilarious. DGen done out here making plays. I'm helping you choose DOD. Hey, I made you money. Here for the fun too. Come on. If I make y'all money for free on a daily basis, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Doji, help. They're hating on me. I'm being attacked. I got them a banger trade, and I'm being attacked. Would I take a 2-bar long? It's possible. You could take it off of the 50%. Yeah, that would have been nice if we test pre-market low here. You made me 10. Oh, well, the funny thing is you made me 100,000 a day. I literally just get attacked. Like, I literally catch a banger. I guess I did lose my first trade, to be fair. But then catch a banger trade. Tell y'all about Webull. I tell y'all, hey, this is an ad. Be smart if you're trading prediction markets. And they also offer futures and options. And y'all just come start destroying me. What? While all these other traders are literally hosting actual online gambling streams and telling you to deposit money into unregulated online gambling brokers. Do you know how much those online casinos make? Do you guys want to know? You will never make money at an online casino ever. Like no. Come on. I at least tell you, hey, don't treat trading like gambling. Don't, like, even if you're operating even if you're operating and doing prediction markets, I want you to predict smart, predict safe. You know? And honestly, Webull, like if your broker ever goes down, if you don't like it, Webull's a great broker. I like it a lot. Fun fact, I was one of Webull's top people back in like 2021. I still have a Webull account that has 5 figures in it. I don't actively trade on there. Could. I've thought about trading options on there. If you guys want to support, if I helped y'all make money today, if you guys participate in prediction markets, in options or futures, check out Webull. Ugh. You guys want me to trade options? Yeah, we caught winner. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at how that 2-bar played. Let's see if we get the 50% retracement for the day here. You know what I actually don't hate is I don't hate shorts up here with stops above like 800 and 801. I actually don't hate that at all. Well, actually, yeah, I do kind of hate it with how this candlestick looks. Actually, I don't like it that much. I take that back. Got a 2-bar here that played out. Ugh. We're going to get a freaking V-shape reversal, huh? That's crazy. That's crazy. Dun, dun, dun. We touch 800 and just die back down. Let's see here. We might touch 800 and just die back down. We'll see. At the end of the day, just about $1,000. We'll take it. We'll take it. Smaller day, but went red to green. So on a super wiki crazy day, if I can go red to green on an insane day like this, we'll take it. Hopefully I helped y'all with DOD today. Hopefully I helped y'all trade smart, trade safe, choose discipline over dopamine. On a red to green day, we'll take $1,000 on the live account. What? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Did you?
I just got stopped out. This one's about to print. It wasn't a losing trade. I stopped at my entry because it's pushing back up.
Let's see if we.
A winning trade.
Nice. Wanna be a baller? Shut.
How we retested back up to that candle. This must have stopped out.
I know. Made just under $1,000 today, red to green. Smaller day for me, but still on the live account, we'll take it.
It's a good bounce back. It's a loss. Not everyone can do that. Some people get killed.
Yep. Stayed patient too. And I was okay with ending red. That was fine. I don't care if I end red. You know? It's part of the game. It's part of the game. You gotta, if you want the green, you gotta accept the red too. I gotta use the restroom quick, y'all. I'll be right back. Want the green, you gotta accept the red.
Looks like we made the right decision there. Stopping at our entry.
Why is my rap playlist on? I'll be right back, y'all. I'll be right back. Slow day for your boy, but we'll take it. Say you'll never let me go. Have I taken any trades? Yep. One loser, one winner. Hey, G Money. Will you? Oh, yep. Made $995.50 today. Just under $1,000. I started the day red though. Traded lighter size with how crazy it was. It's a slow day for me, but still in the live account. And when I tell you these numbers, it's on a live account. It's not unfunded accounts like most of these gurus tell you. So I'm happy I could help a lot of y'all make progress today, make some money. Small day, but it's fine. For me, small day. Relatively, $1,000 a day is fantastic for a lot of people. It's great money. Jdun, you made me money again. Let's go. I try my best. I do my best every day. $900 on the day. Let's go. All right, y'all. I am going to mob off for the day. Made $1,000 on the day. One small loser to start. I started the day red. And then we came back with a massive, well, point-wise, winner. Ended the day green. I hope you guys chose DOD. You continue to trade smart. Continue to trade safe. I will see you guys again tomorrow morning. I'll be live trading at my office in person with students and, of course, online with you guys inside Team Bull. So God bless y'all. Trade smart. Trade safe. Stay patient. Please don't do anything silly. If you made money today, lock up the broker and go enjoy your day. Pay done. Out. See you guys.
Well, I've had enough this morning, everyone.
Oh.
See you back in the morning.
You out of here, Grizzly?
Yeah, make love, Sushi.
All right, I'm going to end the live. See you, bro. Good job. Adios, everybody. God bless. Make sure y'all hit that follow button. Hit that subscribe if you're on YouTube. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning and market open. God bless y'all. Peace.